Okay, next. Find the value x plus y in the equation x plus yi times 1 minus 2i equals 7 minus 4i. Alright. In order for us to solve this, kailangan lang muna natin i-expand itong part na to. No? So, i-multiply natin isa-isa. So, 1 times x is x. Tapos, x times negative 2, so negative 2xi. And then, ito naman, plus yi, and then, negative 2yi squared. No? Pero di ba ang I squared ay negative 1? Kasi ang I is square root of negative 1. Pag in-square mo, negative 1. No? So therefore, this is all equal to 7 minus 4i. So we have x minus 2xi plus yi minus, ano na to? Positive na to, 2y. Kasi negative 1 itong I squared. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, pagsasamahin natin ng lahat ng real part at ng imaginary part. No? So recall, no, a plus bi, ito yung real part. Ito naman yung imaginary part. Alright? So, dito, ang real part, bali ito. Tsaka to, pagsamahin natin. Tapos, ang mga imaginary part, ito naman. Tsaka to. So, we have negative 2x plus y I is equal to 7 minus 4i. So, in order for this equation to be true, kailangan lahat ng real part ay maging equal sa lahat ng real part sa left side. So, di ba, ito dapat maging equal sa 7, tapos ito naman dapat maging equal sa negative 4. So, we can write x plus 2y is equal to 7, and that will serve as our equation 1. Tapos, we can also write negative 2x plus y, that should be equal to negative 4. And that is our second equation. Therefore, solvable na yung x and y. So, we have two equations, two unknowns lang. So that gives us 3 and 2. So therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay?